This short guide explains how to buy shares of AsiaStrategy. AsiaStrategy is listed on NASDAQ with the ticker SORA. Information here is educational and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account, and we'll use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually by uploading an identity document, and add funds before trading. Use the platform search box and type the ticker SORA to find the company listing. Make sure you select the matching NASDAQ entry for AsiaStrategy. On the stock page, review the basic company information and the price chart to confirm it is the correct AsiaStrategy listing. Check the exchange and ticker again to avoid similar names. To place an order, choose how much you want to invest. Review the amount and order type, then confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order may be scheduled or placed at the next session, and if you lack funds, the platform will prompt you to add them before final confirmation. After your order executes, the position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. For convenience, the example eToro link is in the description below.